In this video, we will go into the most recent revisions for Australia visa processing timeframes as of October 2024, which should answer all of your questions if you're thinking about moving to or visiting Australia. We'll go over a number of visa categories, such as visas for employment, tourism, study, and even permanent residency. So make sure to watch the video till the end, as this could really help you plan your move or visit to Australia. Overview of the Australian visa processing time. Whether you're looking for a permanent residency permit or a short-term tourist visa, knowing how long the application process will take might help you plan adequately. Due to the large backlog that had built up in earlier months, Australia made several substantial adjustments to the visa application process beginning of October 2024. While processing times have stabilized in certain categories, others are still facing delays owing to a large volume of applications, and minor adjustments to immigration laws have also affected processing timelines. 1. Tourist visa processing times. While processing times for tourist visas are generally consistent as of October 2024, there are occasional variations based on your country of residence. In fact, this is an improvement over earlier in the year when it may take up to 2 months. But for the majority of applicants, the typical processing period for a tourist visa is currently between 10 and 24 days. To be safe, we advise completing your application at least 2 months in advance if you have impending travel plans. On the other hand, if your application is incomplete or you are from a nation with stricter security procedures, you may experience delays. Remember to see if there are any updated travel warnings or limitations that might influence the acceptance of your visa. 2. Student visa processing times. The massive volume of applications has caused fluctuations in the processing times for student visas throughout 2024. As of October 2024, processing times have gotten a little bit longer than they were earlier this month, since for the majority of applicants, the higher education sector's processing periods currently range from 38 days to 5 months. Compared to mid-2024, when some students had to wait only 3 months, this is a little bit longer. Applying for a student visa should be advised to make sure they have health insurance and have filed all necessary paperwork in advance, since incomplete applications frequently result in processing delays. The processing period for applications for research visas or postgraduate courses may be slightly shorter, ranging from 42 days to 4 months. 3. Work visa processing times. Although of October 2024, the processing time for the temporary skills shortage visa is about 4 days to 5 months depending on the occupation and visa stream. Some high-demand professions in industries like healthcare and IT may enjoy speedier processing owing to Australia's skilled labour shortages. The processing period for the Employer Nomination Scheme Subclass 186 is lengthier at an average of 4 to 6 months, given that the visa results in permanent residency. Ensuring your company has filed the necessary paperwork and sponsorship details is crucial for both of these visas, since it may have a big influence on how quickly your visa is approved. 4. Permanent residency and partner visa processing times. For many people who wish to relocate to Australia, obtaining permanent residency is their goal, and depending on the category, processing durations for PR visas might differ significantly. Some of the most sought-after Australia permanent residence visas are the subclasses 189, 190, and 491 of the General Skilled Migration Visa. In October 2024, the backlog for these visas were still considerable, but it had decreased from prior years, as the current processing timeframes range from 6 to 22 months. However, you might expect to wait a little longer if you're applying for a partner visa under subclass 820 or 801. Currently, depending on how simple your case is, partner visa processing time range from 10 to 31 months. Any missing information may result in additional delays since these visas demand substantial paperwork and confirmation. As one of the main causes of delays is incomplete applications, please make sure you have all the necessary paperwork before submitting. In order to be informed about the progress of your application, utilize the online monitoring system and apply as soon as possible, particularly if you have deadlines for work or travel. Any revisions or modifications to immigration laws that may have an impact on your visa category should be closely monitored. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on Australia immigration news. Thanks for watching.